Hello, this is Poonam, Technical Support Expert for Palicon. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of applying Distributor Watermark on your content. It is a watermarking solution that inserts an invisible watermark in the original content. Along with the invisible watermark, there is an option provided to insert an additional visible watermark in the form of text or an image. In case of a leak, the watermark information can be detected from the leaked video or even from a single video frame. Palicon Distributor Watermark and multi-DRM encryption can be applied simultaneously. The DWM pre-embedder and DWM DRM embedder are CLI-based tools that are used for embedding the watermark to secure content distribution in pre-release workflows. The hardware and software requirements for executing the DWM jobs are listed here. Palicon Distributor Watermarking supports Ubuntu 18.04, 20.04 and CentOS 7. There are a list of commands that needs to be executed for the initial setup for each instance. Since we have the setup ready on Ubuntu 20.04 server, we will proceed ahead with the first step, that is adding the recipients on the Palicon console. To add the recipients to the Palicon console, go to Distributor Watermarking DWM Recipients and click Register. Add the recipient details over here who would be receiving the watermark content. You can add multiple recipients by clicking the Add button here. In case the recipient list is huge, you can upload the CSV or XLS file here. Let's register this user. All the registered recipients can be viewed here on this page. Now that we are done with registering the recipient, now let's go ahead and submit the DWM job. As mentioned in the guide, to communicate with the Palicon DWM server, a credential file should be created with the site ID, site key and access key values. We have already created the credential files on the given path. These site ID, site key and access key values can be found on the Palicon console. Next, we need to update the DWM info JSON file located in the bin folder. Here, content ID is any unique ID that is assigned to the content. Update the input and output path. And to add the visible watermark, you can select the type as text or image. For this demo purpose, we have selected the type as text, and the information that would be displayed is as Palicon DWM demo. You can adjust the font size, the position, and the timings for this visible watermark. Lastly, in the recipient sections, we need to update the recipient details that we just registered on the console. Now that we are done with all the setup, let's submit the packaging job. The hyphen demo is added since we are using the trial version of DWM. After subscribing to a commercial plan for DWM, you'll get the commercial key details from Palicon. The watermarking job is now completed successfully, and the output files are placed on the output path that was provided earlier. These output files contains the recipient details as invisible watermark and can be distributed to the relevant user. In case DRM is also applied to the content, kindly check our previous videos for requesting playback for a DRM encrypted file. Else, you can play this MP4 file directly on any player. Once the job is completed successfully, the details of the same can be found under the DWM embedding history. Please check our next video for more information on requesting a detection in case the content is found to be leaked.